Hello, my friends. This is Chunyi Lin, the founder of Spring Forest Qigong. Today, I'm going to share with you an eye exercise which can help you to improve a lot of eye challenges, including macular degeneration, glaucoma, nearsighted, farsighted, cataracts, and many others. What you do is you first of all close your eyes, and then you visualize a clock in front of you. You roll your eyeballs 36 times clockwise, 1 second, one circle, and then counterclockwise 36 times, doing it with the same speed. And then you repeat this set 2 more times, and do it 1 time in the morning and 1 time in the evening. It is very helpful, and you are going to really enjoy it. Again, my name is Chunyi Lin from Spring Forest Qigong.